Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your wireless adapters on Windows 11. So I will tell you the simple and the basic steps which will help you out. So go to the search bar and search for device manager. Open device manager. Go to the window and maximize it. Now on the left side you can see all the listed driver list. So search for network adapters. Double click on it and you can see here Intel wireless AC. So right click on it and go to the update driver option. Now you can see there are two options here. First one is search automatic for drivers, as well as second one is browse my computer for drivers. So you have to click on first one, and in my case I have already updated, so you can check in your PC whether you got update or not. Close this window and go to the search bar, and this time you have to search for settings. So search for settings, open settings, and in the left side you can see all the listed settings. So you have to go to the last one, Windows Update, click on it and go to the check for updates option. So guys, it will take to 30 to 35 seconds for checking the latest drivers for your wireless adapter, and till then you can like my video, subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best essential videos on Windows 11 which will help you a lot. And okay, so you can see my Windows update are up to date and my wireless adapters are also up to date. You can check in your PC whether you got an update or not, and it will show you all the listed drivers update list, so you can download and install and keep your laptop smooth. So guys, this was the video on how to update your wireless adapters on Windows 11. I hope you like the video and thanks for watching.